Welcome to the Edu-Web Services channel. Be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscription button below so that you do not miss our weekly posts. Today, I will be helping you with reading more confidently and fluently. Reading and understanding are closely connected. Not being able to read effectively may limit how much you are able to grasp from the content that you are reading. It is important to note that an effective reader is an effective communicator, as reading edifies the mind. An effective reader is not just able to read well, but is also able to comprehend or build awareness of what he or she is reading. An effective reader is also able to interpret, which means to make sense of or to give meaning to a text. An effective reader is able to decode, which means to convert words into ordinary language. Now I'm going to share with you 4 strategies that you can use to help you read more confidently and effectively, and why these strategies are important. The first strategy is to build phonemic awareness. Most times, the way to overcome a challenge is to go back to its roots or the source of that challenge. Once we understand the source of a problem or challenge, we are better able to address or correct it. This principle may also apply to reading. At the root of our ability to read is what we refer to as phonemic awareness. Since phonemes are the smallest units of speech sounds. Now, these very small units of sounds play such an important role in helping us to put words into expression smoothly. Think about it. Sometimes we may find that some words may be difficult to pronounce, but we must understand that words are made up of individual sounds that come together. So therefore, if we take time to understand and articulate the unique individual sounds of phonemes, then we will be able to manipulate these sounds, bring them together, and boldly pronounce words, both big and small. Being able to call words correctly will positively impact our ability to be fluent, that is, to be clear and to be effective. Feel free to check out the lesson on vowels and their sounds. It's going to help you with phonemic awareness. The second strategy is to work on your fluency. Fluency deals with the speed and correctness of your reading. Have you ever noticed that while reading, your eyes have a tendency to stop at each word? This is also known as reading word for word. Reading in this manner slows down your reading speed and may also negatively affect your ability to comprehend what you might be reading. Here is a challenge for you when you read. Try glancing ahead within the sentence. Your eyes will automatically pick up words, which in turn will help your fluency. Instead of reading word for word, try reading phrase by phrase. Try focusing on 3 or 4 words at a time and practice skimming ahead. You will find fluent reading to be more pleasurable than the choppy word for word reading, and more importantly, it will allow you to effortlessly focus more on understanding what you are reading rather than what you sound like while you are reading. The third strategy is to commit to building your vocabulary. Your vocabulary refers to your knowledge of words. It is difficult for you to understand the meaning of a text without first understanding the meaning of the words encountered. Building your vocabulary is tied to reading fluently with satisfaction and purpose. Challenge the growth of your vocabulary through daily conversation. Listen out for unfamiliar words. Write them down, perhaps, and commit to learning them. Note or write down the difficult words you may encounter in texts and learn their meanings. There are many opportunities in everyday interactions from which we can build our knowledge bank of words. The fourth and final strategy is to construct meaning from your reading. It is important that you try to construct meanings from what you read, since reading without comprehension is purposeless. You should therefore make a conscious effort to actively and intentionally think about the meaning of what it is that you're reading. Consider bits and portions of information, such as what the author is trying to communicate, structure, known and unknown words, genre, setting, etc. I'm sure you've heard the phrase, practice makes perfect, so be sure to practice your reading and apply these strategies. Do not forget to subscribe for more educational videos and be sure to look out for fresh content every Monday and Friday. See you next time.